So, welcome back. Let's try again. Another ng topic natin. Just gonna show here. I just wanna explain lang yung mga medyo medyo complicated para sa mga lalo na sa nag-start pa lang. So, previously, iba tong let's see, group policy management, tsaka yung Active Directory. So, completely different yung makikita nyo. So, yung OU, makikita nyo, yeah, kasi doon kayo nag-apply. So, let's go to project. Ito yung project yung common, which is nag-start kasi ako sa user group. So, project, this is the project drive that yung ginagawa natin. Anyone has access, parang same lang doon, pero this is for everyone. So, I'm gonna share this. So, wait, sharing. I'm gonna share this to, so all. Delete ko lang to, remove. And then, all authenticated user. So, authenticated. I'm going to get it. People are user. Here. So, you're allowed to. So, apply. Okay. And then sa security, I'm gonna give them same. So, they have a modify. So, pang common folder yan. So, common share drive. So, I'm going to not, don't forget this. So, ito yung easiest way. So, to create the common folder na lahat may access. Close. And then, I'm gonna show you. So, balik tayo ngayon. I-share natin to sa Active Directory. So, para hindi kayo malito, punta kayo sa hp.com and then punta tayo dito. Nakita niyo yan, yung maraming computer yan. Dito natin i-share yung new shared folder. So, that's it. And then sa baba yan, and then will be project folder. Just put project. Sa'yo pwede yung kung anong gusto yung folder yan. So, the thing is, para mas mabilis yan is, nakita agad natin. So, we can create now here. Excuse me. Dito, i-share natin siya, not for department. Dito sa top, on top of all departments. So, I'm going to create group policy here on top. And this will be project folder, which is a common folder for all users. And then I'm gonna edit same thing na ginawa ko doon sa previous sa support. I'm going to Windows settings, drive maps. So I can right click here or right click here, just map drive and then put it here, update, choose create, wag kalimutan, and then location. You can paste and then much better if na-map mo na, madali na. So, it's project. Kaya natin sinishare sa Active Directory. And then, let's put project as a name. Project, diba? And then P drive. It will be P. P para mas madaling tandaan. And then that's it. Make sure that green yan after. Pag something yan, maybe there's a like sharing problem, it will be yellow. Check nyo yun. Or maybe hindi nyo nagawa yung create, it's update yung nagawa nyo. So that's it. So now I'm gonna tell you everyone should have P drive. Now let's check with our client computers. So let's go back here on our computer PC, this PC. So let's see. Refreshing. So nakalag na kasi to si Sean. I think this is Michael Sean. I just want to double check. I'm gonna check who is this user. So to check, it's Andrew Gold. Huh? Andrew Gold. This is Andrew Gold. So what we're going to do is go to CMD. So I just want to show you na wala si project. So I'm going to go to CMD. So search for CMD. So meron din siyang issue as before. Alam niyo yan, magta-type ka, CMD. Yung delayed CMD, CMD. Medyo mabagal din siya. So, oh, don't like this. So, medyo, let me check Parang meron siyang kabagalan. Grabe. I was populated by the CMD. I only need one CMD. So, under gold, I'm just going to show you G. So, I just want you to show this. GP result, then /R. GP result R will show you kung ano yung mga group policy um, I mean, parang working na sa inyo. Kumbaga, it's already running and then, look at this, look at this, look at this. So I have only support SF. The, what do you call this? Applied group policy. I don't have yet, kaya it's not showing. I don't have yet yung project. So I'm gonna put here GP update and put force. So I want you to take a look at here also. So you will see. So look at this. Look at here. Look at if it's gonna show. If it's going to show. Or we need to log out as before. Yeah. So mabilis lang siya. So that's it. And then I'm gonna go here, put up arrow, GP result R, and then we're gonna see another here. It will show we have project. Since it's all okay here, you're gonna see the project here. Look. Take a look at this. Yep. Sweet project. Ayun na siya. Which is really good. So this is also a good way, to check the ano natin para makita natin yung ginawa natin if na-apply na ba. Na-apply na. And if not, we do the GP update force. Some pwede kaya ng GP update force, but some it really needs to log out, sign out, and then sign back. So that's how it works for that matter. So not much of that. At least hindi naman ganun kahirap. Almost same as That's a project. So I'm gonna create another folder that's a sharing na rin. Types of sharing. That's all basic sharing yung kanina. Like for group sharing, like all sharing, no. So I'm going to create another sharing. This time, I'm gonna close this. This is how to create like shared folder permission. I'm gonna show you. So if I will have I'm going to create new folder here. I'm gonna show you in our domain. So if you want to create folder that doesn't mix with other users or they cannot see or have security, you can create that. I'm gonna folder. I'll put folder. So that's folder, and then these are for users. So if you want, let's see properties. If you want, like other users can use this. Tapos hindi nila nakikita yung kabila-kabila. They don't have permission para ma-view yung other users folder. This is it. This is the sharing that you need to do. So here I'm going to choose permission authenticated user authenticated. Ayan. So okay, and then they have change and then apply, and then in security I need to advance. Go to advance instead. Advance. So I have two here. Special. You need to use only one. So I need to edit this. First you need to do wait lang. Disable inheritance. So inheritance. Ganyan ang mangyari. If you remove all inherited. So hindi ganun. We don't like that. So advance. You don't need that. So disable inheritance. So to explicit. So explicit permission. I need to remove this. So I want this special. Edit special. So this folder only. Hmm? This folder only. Modify. That's all you need to do. So I will remove this one. Remove, and that's it. So close. So that's it. That's how it works. And if you want to share this, everyone will have this. This will be drive F. I'm gonna share this. I need a drive F. So this is a different type of sharing. So go to Active Directory now and then put new, new, and then folder. Let's say folder. This is for everyone's folder, like their users folder. Na hindi it will be like their secured folder. What I can say. Para hindi nila ma-view yung mga laman ng other folder. They can see the folder but they cannot view what's inside the folder. So let's map this to everyone. Okay, to everyone, just like the common drive. I'm going to go to group policy and then I'm going to go to HP. I'm going to create another here. So this is common folder. Folder. I know it's a folder. It's a common folder for everyone. But here, it's the same thing that we're going to use. The only different is the sharing, how it was shared to users. So drive maps, I'm gonna map it also. I'm gonna show you map drive. Yeah, create, create, and then browse. This is folder, huh? It's like more secure folder. So, and then I'm going to use as folder. And then I'm gonna put F and then apply green. Yes. So I'm gonna use, so I'm going to use CMD just to have this It's very slow. Kala ko, anyway, siguro meron siyang minimum na ano, kung if your ano, computer. So I'll just wait for that to pop up kasi mag-flooding flooding na naman to. So that's it. See, I told you, it will flood. Nagpa-flooded ng ano, CMD. I don't like this. So I'm gonna show you now. See, if I'm going to show you GP, I'm gonna so pakita ko lang. It's not yet here in this PC. So look, wala pa siya. I don't have folder. I need to GP update force. GP update force. Wait, force. Let's see. Folder will appear. Just a moment. One. Yep. Look at this. So his name is I'm gonna show you. The name of the user here is, let me show you. Although it's Andrew Gold. Andrew Gold. So I'll put Andrew Gold on I'll create one folder muna. I just want to show you na pag I created Andrew Gold, no one can see Andrew Gold except me. I just want to so I need to rename this to Andrew Gold. Even if you will not rename this, no one, wait, no one can see this. So I just want to show that this folder belongs to Andrew Gold, and no one can view this. I'll show you. So I need to go and log in with another user. So Andrew Gold, Bobby Solo, but I need to do the GP update first when I log in as Bobby Solo. So wala pa siya. So I need to do GP updates first. CMD. CMD. This guy is okay. GP update force. You should have a drive F, a common, and I don't GP update. Yeah, so magkakaroon siya ng project. Yeah, folder and so folder. Oh, it doesn't change. See, I don't have access. This is if I create like for Bobby Solo, let's say Bobby Solo. Bobby Solo, wait, Bobby Solo. No one can view this Bobby Solo folder. That's a good thing. On this like folder sharing, you should know this, guys. It will really help. I'll show you. Bobby Solo cannot be edited by anyone or cannot be viewed. So it's really a must knowledge. So Bobby project folder, look, Andrew Gold. I forgot to and so Bobby Solo. I cannot. No, I don't have permission. That's how to do the permissions, guys. So if you want to learn that, you need to just check this out. Hope this helped for you, guys. I'll see you in the next video lesson for us, our review. Okay, hope you learned something. Bye bye.